They should be brought inside and they should be given food and shelter immediately, because that can be the best service to the God, that could be the best worship to the God. All the religious institutions, temples, churches, mosques, gurudwaras, they should open for street children. Of course, there should be proper medical checkup, but if they are not facing any ailment or any sign of any disease, then they should be brought inside and they should be given food and shelter immediately, because that can be the best service to the God, that could be the best worship to the God. Similarly, the private sector, the industrialists, some of them have shown generosity and compassion. Only yesterday, Bajaj Group has announced 100 crore rupees. Similarly, Reliance and Vedanta Group, Godrej. So I have been listening this news. This is a great starting point. So they can also take the leadership in saving the humanity in India. So is the case of civil society organizations. They can help in spreading messages. But I would also call all NGOs that if the children are starving on streets, have no place to sleep, please bring them with you. The children should stay with some families or in the institutions. So all the child care institutions should be open to those children who are in need of care and protection and food now in this crisis, and the government can manage it. So this is something which can protect our children. There are many people, many families who are quite concerned about the sizes of their refrigerators to stock the food material. But think of millions of children who do not have food. You cannot think of refrigerators with them. They don't have shelters, they don't have homes. So in case of India, I would underline that India should not abandon Bharat. Bharat belongs to poor people, the construction workers, farmers, laborers, migrant workers. Bharat belongs to the women who work at home and earn their livelihood every day. So we have to prioritize their children. We have just announced that in our rehabilitation center, Mukti Ashram, we are starting a social kitchen and asking the government to take away some cooked food that could be distributed by police or other agencies. Secondly, we are inviting any child who is in dire situation, is desperate on the street in Delhi. We are willing to accommodate, though this place is not, the facility is not so big, but we can contribute in this manner that those children could be sent to our ashram. So we have already written to the child welfare committees of Delhi to do so, and they can take the initiative in sending these children with us.